singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again.
Okay, 5 drum tickets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job. Okay, Jill, your turn. Roll the dice.
I roll it, friend.
Frog jumps. Okay, bud, jump like a frog.
Yay!
Ribbit.
No.
What I get?
Bunny hops.
Bunny hops.
I got 6.
6 bunny hops. Okay, ready? Boom, boom, boom.
No, I found mine.
Who's that little guy? It's everyone's favorite baby, Mr. Forrest Man. Whoa, we gotta get out of the danger zone, baby.
What are we gonna go do, Forrest? We are gonna go for a walk because frankly, we have been stuck inside all day. Another rainy day, and Daddy is getting cabin fever. So, we got the bikes, we got the baby, and we are gonna get out and get some fresh air because we need it. What do you say, Dale? You ready? Good thinking, Mama. That'll make the walk go by a little smoother.
Yep. I like it.
What's up, kiddo? Do you need Daddy to come to the rescue? There you go. There you go. We got a teamwork. We got a team rescue mission going on here. Dale, grab on to Annabell.
Hold your hands. Stick out your hands, Annabelle.
Grab on to Annabell. Okay, hold on to him, Annabell.
Hold
You guys look worn out. You guys worn out? Cause I hope so. Did you guys have fun? You have fun, Annabelle?
Yes.
How did you like it?